Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today I made two Christmas cards using this Concord and Ninth over the rooftop stamp and die set. This set is super cute, but it has a lot of small pieces to it, so if you don't like die cutting, this die set is not for you. So here I already went ahead and die cut a lot of pieces. For my cards, I made more than 8 cards on each designs that I did, but I'm just showing you one of each card that I made on the video. Here I'm gonna start assembling all my pieces, and as you can see, they're all small pieces. The really tiny die cut is the wreath, so I had a hard time die cutting and assembling the wreath. If you don't want to use glue, you can use double-sided tape before you die cut your paper, and so that way it will save you time from using the glue. You will just remove the stick paper or release paper from the back of your die cut, and you can just adhere it on the die cut pieces. I will assemble the die cut pieces and put my cards together, and I will see you at the end of the video. Oh, I will also leave a link on how the Concord and Ninth assemble this stamp and die set. They explain how where the die cut pieces goes and how to assemble your cards. So I'm gonna leave that link of their video in my description box below. So I will see you in just a minute. Enjoy the video. And here are my completed Christmas cards ready to mail out to family and friends. I hope you enjoy this video and get inspired. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.